Hello dear traders and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Canadian dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Canadian dollar first. So basically the condition and structure is still absolutely the same like we spoke in the last few days. Market is still in the overall upside cycle in the last, if we watch like a look back period of about 1 month, it's still in the clear upside cycle and we didn't clear the low at 1.2700. We also identified the market started a sell-off process like days ago and then started basically to overlap for 4 to 5 days. From my perspective, we got a very good odds for the price to go higher in USD Canadian dollar and eventually to revisit 1.2893. And even after that, if we see the breakout of that, to clear also and to retest 1.3047. So absolutely my advice to watch for buying opportunities on intraday pullbacks. Speaking of the gold market is also in the clear downside cycle. So if we basically check, we can definitely see series of the lower lows and the lower highs. And even if we watch on this way, basically, we have clear downside cycle here. And we also have a 20-day moving average market, had a 4 days up. Today we are trading full inside. We spend lots of the time inside the previous day range. We are full inside the previous day range. So this area here is actually quite important. Resistance, recent swing lows can act like resistance once we break that. So I can expect rotation downside, eventual retest of previous day low at 1849. And then even eventual test of 1833, which is the next important pivot on the daily time frame. So watch for some intraday short opportunities, because of potential downside rotation and continuation based on this down cycle on the gold. Anything meaningful to the upside, I will like the price to clear 1875 to sustain above this previous day high, and that eventually can lead to 1885 or maybe even 1907. But since that's not the case, I expect more downside rotation on the gold. Crude oil is basically very sideways, waiting for some bigger breaks, or bigger fundamental shift. So something big must happen here in order to break this very well-defined consolidation. For now, analysis will basically is remaining same like previous days. If we clear the high at 112.56, we can eventually expect 116.50 on the test. If we also clear the low of 104.90, we can expect price to go into the lower end of this trading range around 98.20 or zone around 95. So watch for a breakout on crude oil, and Bitcoin is still in this consolidation. There was a retest basically yesterday, but there is no breakout. So still more than 10 days of consolidation, pretty much breaking this consolidation low at 28,600 can eventually lead us to this pin bar territory area around 26,000 mark, clearing the high at 31,315 can eventually lead us towards 33,000 or 34,400. So basically consolidation on crude, consolidation on Bitcoin, potential gold continuation, USD CAD potential rally because of the upside continuation, and that is so far the situation and my analysis for today. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, have a good day and see you tomorrow morning.